स्रस्ता श्यामलकायकान्तिकलिता या इन्द्रनीलायिता मुक्तास्ता शुभदा भवन्तु भवता श्रीरामवैवाहिका गौरी शङ्करयोषची मधवतो वाणी शतानन्दयो तारेन्द्रो तदरुन्धती विविजयो हृत्यात्मसम्भूतयो स्वाहा हव्यभुजौ रमामधुरुतो छायादिवानाथयो यद्याम्पत्यसुखं तदास्तु वरयो तत्प्रसादाभिरा जानक्या कमलाञ्जलिपुटेया पद्मारागायिता न्यस्ता राघवमस्तके च विलसत्कुण्डप्रसूनायिता स्रस्ता श्यामलकायकान्तिकलिता या इन्द्रनीलायिता मुक्तास्ता शुभदा भवन्तु भवता श्रीरामवैवाहिका गौरी शङ्करयोषची मधवतो वाणी शतानन्दयो तारेन्द्रो तदरुन्धती विविजयो हृत्यात्मसम्भूतयो स्वाहा हव्यभुजौ रमामधुरुतो छायादिवानाथयो यद्याम्पत्यसुखं तदास्तु वरयो तत्प्रसादाभिरा जानक्या कमलाञ्जलिपुटेया पद्मारागायिता न्यस्ता राघवमस्तके च विलसत्कुण्डप्रसूनायिता
It is a wonderful aspect of life that two lives make an attempt to become one, weaving two lives as one, thinking beyond oneself, feeling beyond oneself, making an attempt to obliterate the boundaries of one's individual nature is called Vivaha. This union can also be a stepping stone for the ultimate union. The word yoga literally means union. In this effort to become one with everything, Vivaha is also a significant aspect of this union. When we say union, after all, this life is but a play of 5 elements of Bhumi, Jala, Vayu, Agni and Akash. What we think as you and me, what we think as this and that, is all the play of these 5 elements. How we refine these 5 elements, to what extent we refine these 5 elements, and to what extent we take charge of these 5 elements will determine the nature and the quality and the magnitude of our lives. So here, this Vivaha process will be on the basis of what is called as Bhuta Shuddhi or refinement of the elements. The entire yogic system is based on this. This refinement of 5 elements or mastery of 5 elements can happen on many different levels. This Vivaha is also a small effort in that direction. Here the refinement of elements that we will go through, the Bhuta Shuddhi right now, this is not only for the bride and the groom, it is for every one of you. So you need to understand, this is a kind of wedding where you're not just a spectator, you're also a participant. That means this is not just to fulfill a social need that you're here, there is a possibility for every one of you to refine your own 5 elements and enhance the nature of your life. Please be a part of it and know the power of having some mastery over the 5 elements which will determine the very scope and dimension of one's life. It's our wish for this couple that their lives should not be just of companionship, togetherness of thought, empathy and emotion, but in some way these 2 lives should know oneness beyond thought, beyond emotion, beyond body. They must know oneness, where the true essence of life lies. This is our blessing and our wish. Please all of you participate in this process.
आचमन्यं समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। पुष्पाञ्जलिं। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। श्रीब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं विश्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। पुष्पाञ्जलिं समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः।
Please, every one of you, please participate in this and do the chant after me.
जीवमङ्गलं भवतु
जीवमङ्गलं भवतु
देहमङ्गलं भवतु
देहमङ्गलं भवतु
मनोमङ्गलं भवतु
मनोमङ्गलं भवतु
आत्ममङ्गलं भवतु
आत्ममङ्गलं भवतु
सर्वमङ्गलं भवतु
सर्वमङ्गलं भवतु
भवतु भवतु भवतु
भवतु भवतु भवतु।
गौरी शङ्करयो शचीमधवतो वाणीशतानन्दयो तारेन्द्रो तदरुन्धती विविजयो हृत्यात्मसम्भूतयो स्वाहा हव्य भुजौ रमामधुरुतो छायादिवानाथयो यद्याम्पत्यसुखं तदास्तु वरयो तत्प्रसादाभिरा जानक्या कमलाञ्जलिपुटेया पद्मारागायिता न्यस्ता राघवमस्तके च विलसत्प्रसूनायिता स्रस्ता श्यामलकायकान्तिकलिता या इन्द्रनीलायिता मुक्तास्ता शुभदा भवन्तु भवता श्रीरामवैवाहिका गौरीशङ्करयो शचीमधवतो वाणीशतानन्दयो तारेन्द्रोतदरुन्धती विविजयो हृत्यात्मसम्भूतयो स्वाहा हव्यभुजौ रमामधुरुतो छायादिवानाथयो यद्याम्पत्यसुखं तदास्तु वरयो तत्प्रसादाभिरा जानक्या कमलाञ्जलिपुटेया पद्मारागायिता न्यस्ता राघवमस्तके च विलसत्